So now another problem. An optical fiber of a glass. This is an optical fiber, okay, of a glass. It is made by glass, okay. The refractive index of the core is given 1.5. N1 is given. Then to be clad, ensure the total internal refraction that will contain the light traveling with a 5 degree. So for example, okay, no, okay, this is the code. What is given? The to be clad, to ensure that ensure that it must be critical angle. The refractive index will be contain light traveling within 5 degree angle of acceptance. Within the 5 degree, it will introduce 5 degree of the fiber axis. This is a fiber axis, okay. Here 5 degree fiber axis. What is the maximum index of the refractive index or refraction is allowed for the cladding? Okay, what is the refraction allowed for the cladding? What refraction is there? It is a maybe 90 degree or more than 90 degree, or it is a less than 90 degree. This we are going to determine here, okay. Come back, okay. We know that n1 is equal to 1.50, okay. The angle of acceptance or between the axis and the cladding, it is how much? 5 degree is there. So the angle of, if it is a total internal reflection, remember it is a total internal reflection, what is the refraction angle?
Less than 90 degree.
It must be 90 degree. If see, if it is a critical angle, what is the angle of refraction?
90 degree.
Angle of refraction must be 90 degree, okay. But here what? Angle of incident is equal to 5 degrees there. Therefore
90
so 90 minus 5 degree, it will be considered a 85 degree. So this will be refraction angle. So this is the concept we know that. So therefore
Right.
therefore we will see that, okay, what is that? The core and cladding angle will be 90 minus 5 degree, it will be 85 degree, okay. This is a grazing angle. We know the Snell's law. What is the Snell's law?
Equidirect equation. N1 sin theta equal to N2 sin.
Refractive index of introducing medium of sine into its angle of incidence equal to refractive index of the entering material.
Refraction.
Entering material, okay, not entering material, okay, that is n, okay. I don't know n1 n2 and into sine of refraction now, okay. It will happen, okay. Therefore here the n1 I took, this is the core, okay. It is introducing into the core n1 beta, this is n1, okay. Then where it is going? Into cladding. Therefore this will be n2. This is the refraction, law of refraction, or we call as a Snell's law. If you take n2 by n1 and all these things, it is a Snell's law, that is the separate. So this the angle is there. Therefore I substitute 1.5 into sine of theta naught, or theta I is there. How much it will be? 85 degree. 90 minus 5, no, 85 degree. This is equal to n2 you don't know. Sine of, what is the angle? This is 90 degree, because it is a grazing. It means it is suffering the critical angle at the 85 degree. Therefore 90. Sine 90 is again, it is a 1, okay. Therefore 1.5 into sine of 85 is equal to n2. This is a formula, okay, for that, okay. Now n2 is equal to what? Will write? So write 1.50, okay, 1.50, and you will find the value in the calculator. Then n2 is equal to, you will get 1.49. That's it. You know that n2 is equal to 149, n1 is equal to what is given? 150. But what is the condition for the refractive index? The material, optical material?
N1 is greater than.
Yes, n1 is greater than n2. Why n1 is greater than n2? Why? See, I will explain that also. Okay, this is finished the problem. So I am analyzing this. Why n1 is n2 here? If you take the two material, one medium and another medium, okay. If it is the rarer medium, it is a denser medium. When light travels from A to O, okay, rarer to denser means what will be the?
Bend.
It is bending away or towards?
Away.
It is rarer to denser means it is away. away. Okay, away na.
away.
Why away?
Denser medium it
Why away?
friction type on the opposition mode.
See, your concept is zero. See, away means it covers longer distance, no? Whenever the rarer medium light is there, whenever it is rarer medium is there, light is there. For example, I will give one example. Okay, if Mr. Abhishek is going from Ranjol to Humanabad. Okay, Mr. Abhishek is going to Ranjol to Humanabad. Okay, it has the 20-kilometer wide road. Okay, he is having a sports bike. It is a 90 kilometer per hour. Okay, he is riding. He is not changing its accelerator. This is the smooth road, this is the rough road. Rough road means denser medium. Okay, smooth road means it is a rarer medium. Okay, wait, rarer medium. Then the bike is moving without accelerating, without applying the brake of this Abhishek. Okay, the road covers here 10 kilometer. The speed is high or low? Smooth. Denser medium speed is low, even though he is not going to apply any force. Therefore, here also, okay, if it is away means the speed is more. Okay, denser medium means speed is less. Less means it is towards the normal. Therefore, your concept is wrong. Always it is towards the normal. Is it clear? Yes. Come back. Oh, it is not adverse. Is it? If even though you are a fourth semester means it is applicable for all. Okay. So now, okay, same thing. No. Oh, okay. Same. Okay. If you take the opposite, why it will take the n1 is greater than n2? Second question for you. Why? Take it. Why?
This is n1 is the n2, right?
No. Okay. If optical fiber is there, optical fiber. This is the optical fiber. This is the optical fiber. Okay. This is the core. This is the cladding. Okay. Why n1 is greater than n2? Why not n2 is greater than n1? Or why core is greater than cladding? You have any idea? No idea. Because the optical fiber is based on what principle? Total internal reflection. What is the definition of total internal reflection? I am coming to back your. Sorry to interrupt you, my dear students. I am discussing some basic to my students. Okay. Yes. What is the total internal reflection? Totally internally reflection is total internal reflection. No need to think more about beta. No need to think. Okay. What is one pipe we are having? This is one pipe. Okay. This is one pipe. Another one pipe is there. Another one pipe. Okay. One axis is there. Then light is introducing here. Okay. Introducing at the axis. This is the angle is accepting. Angle of acceptance theta naught. When angle of acceptance it is striking here, it is an interface surface of clad and core. Okay. When it is having some angle, some small angle means it is a refraction. Okay. Because it goes from core to cladding. It goes from core to cladding. Core to cladding means refraction is there, not reflection. Refraction is there. So again change this. Again it's let refraction. Again change this refraction, and it will come 90 degree. If it is 90 degree means this angle will be critical angle. When it is critical angle, this is the refraction. That is theta r is equal to 90 degree. I applied that sin theta r is equal to 90 degree. So therefore, okay. Therefore, theta I is greater than the theta c. This is called the TIR, because the light whatever it will come here only, and it will go and it will come here, it will go and it will come like this. The light is internally reflection, not refraction. Reflection. When it will be happen when the internal medium is traveling medium must be denser, then this medium must be rarer. Therefore, it should be n1 is greater than n2. In our problem also, it is n1 to n2. Is it clear? How many minutes over?
9 minutes.
Okay.